Trigonometry and bearings. Let's consider a bearings problem about the journey of a ship. A ship sails 22 kilometres on a bearing of 042 degrees from point A, and a further 30 kilometres on a bearing of 090 degrees to arrive at point B. What is the bearing of B from A? The first thing you need to do with any problem like this is to draw a diagram. Spend a few moments drawing the diagram yourself. Here is our diagram for this problem. To find the bearing of B from A, we will need to work out the size of angle alpha. The triangle that we need to work with to solve this problem is a non-right angle triangle. So this tells us we're likely to have to use either the sine or the cosine rule to help solve this problem. But at the moment we have very little information about this non-right angle triangle. Instead, first let's concentrate on finding more information about the right angle triangle. Angle theta sits within a right angle triangle. We use the fact that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees to calculate theta, as we know the sizes of the other angles. Spend a few moments working out the size of angle theta yourself. Theta is 48 degrees. Let's mark this angle on our diagram. Now we can find the size of angle beta, as both these angles lie on a straight line, and angles around a point on a straight line sum to 180 degrees. Work out the size of angle beta yourself. Angle beta is 132 degrees. Having put this information into our diagram, let's look again. If we remove all the other information from this diagram, we can see that we have a non-right angle triangle for which we know two sides and the angle between them. In this situation, the cosine rule can be used to find the opposite length AB. Spend a few moments calculating the length of AB yourself. AB is 48 kilometres to the nearest kilometre. We now have nearly all the information that we need to calculate the solution to this problem. We can use our non-right angle triangle, for which we have two sides and an opposite angle. To find angle alpha, we can use a rearrangement of the sine rule. Spend a few moments calculating the size of angle alpha yourself. Angle alpha is 28 degrees to the nearest degree. We haven't quite finished yet, and it's very easy to give our final answer as 028 degrees to the nearest degree. But we still need to work out the bearing of B from A, measured from north. We must add our new value for alpha to our original bearing 042 degrees. Don't forget, the final bearing needs to be written using three figures. So, the bearing of B from A is 070 degrees. Well done!